Hi, I am Arifiel Sarkar.
I am Seema.
Do you like your present job?
Yes, I like my job.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books in my free time.
What are you doing right now?
I'm talking with you, right now.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
What are your hobbies?
I like listening to music.
What is your last name?
My last name is Sarkar.
What do you do?
I work at a buying house.
What is your mail address?
It's my mail address, group of dots.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 01821050993.
What kind of music do you listen?
I like listen to old music.
What kind of movie do you like?
I don't like to watch movie.
What language can you speak?
I can speak Bengali, Japanese, English and also Hindi.
That's nice. What is your name?
My name is Seema Sarkar.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
Where you live?
I live in United Arab Emirates.
Are you married or single?
I am married.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is navy.
What is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Asif.
Why are you sleepy?
Because I get up early this morning.
Is this your wallet?
Yes, it is.
Are these your books?
No,
Who is this?
he is my brother.
Does he live in town?
No, he doesn't.
Do you speak Arabic language?
No, I don't.
Do you work with your brother?
Yes, I do.
Does he study English?
Yes, he does.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Where do you work?
I work in a hotel.
What kind of work do you do?
I am a food server.
How do you get to work?
I walk to work.
Would you like any drink?
Yes, I like to drink coffee and tea.
Thank you for everything. Conversation with me.
You are welcome.
Okay, see you next conversation class.
Okay.